Hello guys, welcome to the 41st session of Blazor tutorials for beginners. Recently, Microsoft announces Preview-1 for ASP.NET Core 3.1 and in this session we will upgrade our existing project to 3.1 Preview-1. Please refer attached link to read more about the changelog for Blazor. First, we must update the Blazor template. For this, use this command. After this, we must upgrade all NuGet packages related to Blazor to 3.1 Preview 1. And after this, we need to update the .NET Core app version. But in the client-side environment, our project targets .NET Standard, so we don't need to update it. If your project targeting the .NET Core app, then change to 3.1. Let's build a project and check for any error. Build success. Now our project is running on Preview 1. This version includes 4 changes. First is support for the partial class for component, parameter passing to the component from Blazor, shared queue for the HTTP SYS server, and breaking changes for same-site cookies. For me, one of the best features is partial class support. Have you remembered code behind the example that we have created in session 9? If not, don't worry, I will show you again. For making HTML and C# code in different files, we have created a class which defines some properties and created a new component which was inherited from that class. So here we can access all properties defined in the class. Here we have inherited class from component base. Now the Blazor component supports partial class, so instead of creating individual class and inherit it in component, we can create a class and component with the same name. So at build time, compiler will take care of those partial classes. Let's convert this example with a partial class. Create a new folder for session 40. Let's create a class with the name partial class demo and make it partial too. And copy paste those properties. Create a new component with the same name. Add routing patterns first. And copy this HTML code and paste it. Now save all the files and run the project. Open the page. Here we got same output as we have expected. Let's see what we have learned in this session. To upgrade your existing application to 3.1 Preview 1, we need to upgrade templates and NuGet packages as well as .NET Core app version. After upgrading the version, we have seen some changes included in the version. And we have seen an example of a partial class demo. For partial component, we have to create a class with the same name as a component and use a partial modifier. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubt, please feel free to contact me. Have a nice day.